Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your girl is back. My name is Mosima for those of you who don't know me. So welcome guys if you're seeing this face for the first time, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love guys. Thank you, much appreciated. So guys, as you can see by the title of this video, I'll be going out. Okay, before guys, I was wearing this dress yesterday to church. I only went to church for a meeting, so it was not for a long time. When I came back, I took it off because I had to go out. So lena ba limponing maabane, and then letlhakana le nna today ko molong, and then you think ora se ke tlhape ora se ke robala gae. Ke tlhapile and ke robetse gae, and I promise you the dress is still clean and smells clean. Okay, now that is out of the way, so guys, I'll be going out. Am I the only one who feeling like the vegetables and the fruits and other fruit stuff monthly is not working? So yeah, so I'll be going out the fruits for the week, so I buy weekly. So I want to buy things for the week, some few things, and I want to also do a mirror shopping, not buy, window shopping, like just to check prices and what I like, so that when I have money I know exactly where to go. So yeah, I'll show you this dress when I'm by the mirror. Oh yeah, so actually by the mirror ke tla le bontsha this dress that I wore yesterday and today, but asikho lapho. Okay, ke le boditse gore I only wore it to a meeting at church and came back and changed into something else. So aka tlhoka yona guys, aka tlhoka yona e le re le mpone mabane ko kerekeng. I promise you aka tlhoka yona and ke robetse gae. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So guys, this is how the dress looks. Yo, ke rata re kwe ka pele ka moka. Like this is how it looks. In khatla gore impanyana space to breathe, you know, like so. This is what I'm wearing. So let's go out to get those stuff, and then I'll be taking you with. And then when I come back, I'll do the unboxing or the haul, and the haul with you. So yeah, guys, let's go. Labana roe ke rata. Ki free ka ra yona guys, like. I got this dress from Exit or something. Yeah, yes, bag. So it's a mini skirt because I'm getting big and older. So it's a short nyana. But asikholapho. So yeah, guys, let's go. Thank you. Hey guys, so I just got back from the shops. Yo, get broke. Hopala challenge. Anyway, I'll be doing the haul, multiple shops. So I'll be doing haul, yeah, all the shops. Okay, let me just start with this. So yeah, okay. Did you go builders? So this are just the cleaning stuff. It's a value pack, clean day value pack. I love this. It's got a thick bleach in ali renama pediri bija hindi indian na go to brand in ali hindi and then in ali this for floor cleaning and then in ali dishwash. Okay, and then this one as well, bathroom cleaner. And then honestly speaking, I can show you already. You know the right because the but kitty glove. So other areas for it, the dishes, the shower, the bathtub, the mag wheels, the teki, the basin. So I'm not sure we're going to for what. So I got this. Okay, I want to see. Okay, the value pack, guys. Okay, this is 120 rand, 120 rand, and then the value pack is also 120 rand, and then this bathroom cleaner is 65 rand, and then I also got pine gel. Okay, I don't like pine gel, mara get out of the bathroom near the boys because yeah. So this was 50 rand. And then I got window and glass cleaner. This I use for my shower. It was also 65 rand. And then this I use for my kitchen, for the pompi and the sink, kitchen cleaner. This is also 65 rand. So these are all things that I got from. Okay, let me just put them back. I'll get them later. So these are all the things I got from Builders Warehouse. Next plug. These things. I didn't even put a picture for you. I just love them. Okay? I'm saving my nails. So yeah. So this is all I got from Builders. And then my favorite shop in the whole world. So anyway. So kita nak kita it's gonna be on a different video because I want that for TikTok. So I got this. You buy 2 and save 10 rands. And then I also got some crackers. I bought 2 of these. Where's the other one? And I got some crackers. Okay, I got 2 as well. Body bath. I need a fridge. This is for my body. Number 1. Like, if you want, I highly recommend. If you want your skin to be extra smooth, body butter from Woolworths. And then I got these smoothies. I usually have this in the morning before my actual breakfast. So I have this when I'm driving to work, and then about my 10, 11, I have my breakfast. So I got this. I think it was not really special. Not really special, Sayon. I think it was buy 3 for some. Yeah, you know. So I got this. And then I got peppers. And then I got this. And then I got this one. Okay, this one I don't think already healthy. I believe already greeny healthy man. Any smoothie is green. So healthy, right? So I also got this smoothies. And then I got mints. You get it? You get it? And then I got this broccoli. Okay, I don't know why I got the broccoli. You gotta give us note. The broccoli. And then some onions. Tamati. And olives. And I also got the guys. This one's. So, oh, I also got this one. Apparently, and I liked it, but I can't pull. No, I can't pull. So I'm gonna try it again. And then slalelo. Of course, I'm Catholic. We drink slalelo every Sunday. So these are the ones that I got. These are my favorite. These are my favorite wines. These sweet, sweet wines. And then I got rock shandy. And I got some mojito. Yeah. I'm also getting alcoholic because this is our version. So get a cocktail chagamo, and then this obviously they are alcoholic. So I'll be packing this in my fridge on another video. I can show or so this is all I got from Woolworths. So now we move to Mr. Price home. Mr. Price home. Oh, I'm so excited for that. I'm so excited. I can't wait to style myself. And then I got this. I wanted a big one, but you know how you're shopping sometimes we want so that you get what you want. Because what am I going to opinion? But I also like this one, but I like the big one more. But I felt like, okay, I'm going to go to a big one. So this was 189 rand. Cute, ne? And then I also got this artificial flowers. This was 29 rand. These three were 29 rand each. This were 29 rand each. And then this was 60 rand. And I feel like chickadee very hard. You know what? So get my vision, eh? Vision. That's vision. You get. Okay. Yeah. And then I got this from Mr. Price Home. I also got these. Guys. And I got them. Okay. So I also got this. I think this is cute. This is nice. This was 199 rand. I saw this go. Even get into it. One of the influencers. Yeah. Nice, eh? Yeah, this I'm also gonna style. It was 189 rand, 99 rand, 190. Cute. I just want to go guy. And then I got this as well. Isn't she lovely? This is beautiful, guys. So I got this for 120 rand. Let me see. Okay, I got these candles as well for 50 rand. So let me quickly open this and see if their feet are organic. Now. I don't check back if you put a knife like this. So I want you guys to get my vision, yeah. It's from Mr. Price. They are 18, pack of 18, and they are 50 rands. They actually do smell nice, eh? So this is what I had in mind when I bought this. So now I did it somewhere delightful. Isn't it cute? I don't know how cute. I'm gonna go to show one day. This is cute. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and I forgot I got this for the office. This is such a cute mug. that I will be using at the office. So this went for 1695, 70 rand, 70 bucks. But imagine yourself like having. And then I also got this. The drinks. So it's a set, D3, it's not a set. Price of another markdown, nearly 80 rand one. And then I got them for 69 rand, which is 60 rand. And then 120 get you 3. So it's buy 2 and get 1 free. Okay? I think, the moment, guys, I don't know, man. I don't think this thing is emotionally the current me. It was emotionally the old me, but the current me is no longer feeling it. So I'm gonna remove this, and I bought this mirror. So it's gonna sit like this. So I got this mirror from Mr. Price Home in a goldie. It was 999 rand. It was 1,000 rand. And then I also got this server. Everything, guys, don't worry. And this was how much? 4,500 rand. So this was 4.5, and then this was 8,000. So it was in blue, and then and then those things I'll decorate. I'm gonna put them on the server and remove this. I don't know what this thing, because honestly I don't like it anymore. So that's why I bought anyone. So let's get packing.
doesn't even matter.